In this video, I'm going to show you two really good money-making methods on this server. These methods are easy to set up, don't require crazy grinding, and can make you a lot of money if you keep repeating them. The second method is actually the one I'm using right now to make most of my money. So let me show you how both of these methods work. Alright, so the first money-making method is villager-based. First, what we need to do is trade pork chops for emeralds. So basically, you want to butcher villager, and you keep selling pork chops until you get a good amount of emeralds. Once you have a lot of emeralds, the next step is to use those emeralds to buy enchanted books from librarian villagers. You are mainly looking for good enchantments like Unbreaking 3, Blast Protection 4, and Mending. After buying these books, you can combine them onto armor or helmets and sell them for profit. So the whole method is sell pork chops, then get emeralds, then buy enchanted books, then use them on gear, then sell for profit. It's a very simple loop, but it makes a lot of money if you keep repeating it. Now let's sell the helmets for 299,000 each. Rejoining after a few minutes. As you can see, I made 2 million in just few minutes. Alright, now that you've seen how the villager method works, let's move on to the next money-making method. This one's a bit different, but it's also really effective and can earn you even more profit if done right. Order, mending, unbreaking and blast protection according to the price in orders. Now sell it for 208,000. Now we are gonna calculate the profit. Thanks for watching. Bye.